Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you the 3 best websites to earn money every single day as in Nigeria. In these 3 websites, there are thousands of ways to earn money with these just 3 websites. But the 3rd website is a mind-blowing strategy of which I don't want you to miss out. Just make sure you watch this video until the very end. Don't skip any part because each part has its own role to play. Now let's go to the screen and I will show you the magic and how you can make 5k every single day as in Nigeria. Let's go there. Let me walk you.
Now we don't enter computer, and the first one we are going to make use of is called naijaworkers.com. And what is naijaworkers.com? Over here, even start it said 208,000 plus tasks completed. Small gigs, big results. That means small body but big engine. Name be this website. So you see, they said, what is Naira Workers? Naira Workers is a freelancing, outsourcing and crowdsourcing platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. All those one, this outsourcing and crowdsourcing, this one are just English. The meaning of this outsourcing is when a company hires a third party to perform their tasks. Now company will hire you to do job for this website. And the crowdsourcing, the meaning of this crowdsourcing, this grammar where they put for here, so it said is the practice of turning a body of people to obtain needed knowledge or involve obtaining work, information or opinion from a large group of people who submit their data via the internet or social media. So all these ones now grammar. It said through our marketplace, clients can hire freelancers to do work in areas such as promoting on social network, writing, testing websites, data entry, downloading, searching, installing, so on and so forth. And so the website just there. So now it said business owner, people will get business, they go offer you job. It said ask people to help you sign up to a website, promote your content, install mobile apps, subscribe to YouTube channel. So this one, maybe you get business or maybe you get any social website platform. Maybe say the thing know they move well because how when me I go start as in when my platform will grow, when my own channel will grow. So you can come here and register and become a business owner on this website. But we are not going to make use of this business owner. All we have to do and what we are after is making money online, which is freelancers. Now they said work when you want, where you want. They said take a survey, write an honest review, test an app, follow on social media. He said now may you do all those things. Now may we see the works we say they even get for this website. He said how small gigs work. Over here you can see say visit our website and sign up. So now the job where they get be this. Now some of the jobs be this. So he said visit our website and sign up. They will give you 42 naira. Like and retweet my pinned tweet, 24 naira. So on and so forth. They get plenty jobs. And now you can see the dashboard over here. This person don't make over 32,675 naira. It says select jobs you like, explore required task, complete this task, send required proof. Now waiting they just day after be this. Now just these 4 things. It's called what? 4 basic form. Waiting you have to do for this website. You don't finish like this. Then they just analyze for this 4 places. It said number 1, select job wey say you like, what you want to do. After I don't select and finish, he said try do the job. If you do the job, if you don't complete the job finish, send required proof. That time they don't pay you your money. If you don't do it like that, they don't pay you your money. To register to this website, all you have to do is to click on this register button over here. And when you click on the register button over here, this little form will be presented. All you have to do is to fill in your data correctly. So when you sign up, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. This is your dashboard. You see over here, it said welcome Eric Diamond. It said perform simple / small task. Click here to view available jobs. May we still go down because me I don't do small job for here. You see over here now I have a balance of 142 naira 36 kobo. Now just 9 jobs I just do, and as small jobs I do. They are paying jobs over here on this website. So on and so forth. Now make we go say okay. Now which work I go even dey do for this place, make I even see how the job look like, make I see how they take even dey do the job, so that me I go start make money sharp sharp, because no time to check time, make we start to dey make this money. Now you click on this available jobs to see the jobs. So you click on the available jobs. Now the available jobs don come up. It said Destiny House of Miracle, this Facebook job, so it's 9 naira. You click it, you view the job, you see their requirement, what they ask you to do, you do it, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. And this one is subscribe to my YouTube channel, 18 naira, of which it will not take you time. So guys, if you can do this thing over and over again, if you can do this every day, every minute, you can do even 1,000 jobs on this platform in a day, of which you will earn more than 5 to 6,000 naira every day. So guys, no complaint. Nigeria is not a funny place to play, so you have to stand on your feet and look for a way to earn extra cash. So this is the best website for you to earn extra cash as a Nigerian. And the second website we will be making use of is called sidegig.com. So this is SideGig, and over here they said connect with thousands of Nigerians with a task. That means when you connect with plenty Nigerians, so with a task, they said the possibilities are limitless. Users can engage with your content, leave comments, share, and many more. So this one now is create a tax. Maybe now people will be say they want me they do work for them, but we that one no concern us. Our own now to join as a freelancer. Maybe we start to make money because no time to check time. Now you can see said diverse talent. We have a diverse group of individuals in our global freelance community who fall under a variety of categories. So maybe we just forget that one, maybe we forget that one. So now maybe we see it said create possibilities, collaborate with side gig users, say get some tax ideas. Now you say make una know some tax ideas, which is the tax wey be say you go likely see on this website. They say make una know am. Number one, they say music review, you review people music. Number two, app review, you will just write. This one is just about writing. Make you know this maybe another thing. You just review app. If you see, if you say okay, maybe you say this app is very very good, that's what you go do. Data entry, product marketing, content engagement, like say okay, content make you like a video or make a comment on video. Survey, now this one they bust my head pass. This one you no require any skill. This survey you no require any skill. Anybody at all fit do am. Na just question, they will just ask question, they will just write. As they write they go, money they enter. As they write they go, money they enter. As they write they go, money they enter. This content review again, they will just review content, so on and so forth. App download, you go download app, they will give you money. Movie review, they will just review movie, they will give you. You promote something, you read book again, blog read, you read blog, they'll pay you. Ebook review, so on and so forth on this website. Now if you want to sign up now, so we are going to sign up as a freelancer. We join as a freelancer. You click on this join as a freelancer, and when you click on join as a freelancer, you see it said earn more as freelancer, completing simple online task. You can earn more on this website by just completing simple tasks. You go earn money by just doing all those small tasks, small things they ask you to do, and you money go to enter your hand, they go. So if you want to register, if you want to start earning, on this website, all you have to do is to click on this start earning. You click on this start earning. So this form will be shown to you, which you know how to fill the form. You go, because this video I don't need to tell like that, make I no go waste your data too much. But if you want, or you're looking for a way to buy a data in a cheaper rate, I don't do video where we say it go make you the see data they buy in a cheaper rate. So you no go to the waste money for data like that. So go check you buy data in a cheaper rate. We use and they do your work. We use and they do your research online. Preferred username, which is your username where you like. You put them. You enter your email. You enter your password. You enter your referral username, so on and so forth. I click on register. So this is all about this. And the third website we are going to make use of now this one now they bust my brain too much. Now payroll be this one you go make money, so you go even tire with yourself. It said get paid in naira for doing tax online, absolutely free. This one is a free website which you can make any amount of money. You know, they say maybe you say you need to register, or you need to buy share, you need to do this one, you need to do this one before you will start earning on this website. This website is a free website which you can earn money every single day. It said make massive income online by watching videos, doing offer works, and many more. with fast payment. They are sharp, they don't dey waste time. Now sharp money. I said they pay over 1 million. I said over 1 million plus paid to happy users, because people don't they use this website already, and they don't pay more than close to 2 million now. See, they don't pay people already. So you join them. Maybe you start to test that money. Join them now. Maybe they add the job, people will say they chop the money. Join them. So now on this website, maybe we see again, this is advertise. They say advertise your business. If you want to advertise your business, if you want to advertise anything we say you they do, you can still join. Payroute allows you to drive large amount of web visitors to your website, blog and YouTube video, and the best and the most affordable way possible. It's a fast payment. Said if you just the enter, if you just say you want withdraw, they don't pay your money. If you say if you do job finish, they will give you your money. Say no deposit required. I don't first talk am. I say this website, you know they pay any shishi. Come boy, you know they pay. Instead, and then go they pay you. Say no investment required. You no go invest anything. Daily payment. They pay you every day. Say fast customer support. See, they support you anywhere. Said available online community, regular bonus. They also give you bonus. The journal, multiple tax available. Tax yakpa. What will you go do? Yakpa for this website. The best one now is a best in Nigeria. See, now the best website for Nigeria be this. If you never see this website before, see, just thank God say you don't see her, and you too won't start to make that money. So like that video, what else may you like so, and may you subscribe so that more and more of this type of video still they come. Say highest paying in Nigeria. Now this website now be the most highest paying in Nigeria according to them. According to them. So now when I do research, reach be this. So and to me, this one is the highest paying in Nigeria though. But you know, say as they break things and things they come up. Now the one women I don't know reach said is the highest pay in Nigeria. Statistics now said we have about 10,000 users. They get 10,000 users plus 10,000 people don't they make money on this website. He said, and they don't pay almost 2 million naira total money they don't pay now, almost close to 2 million naira. Now they don't pay already, and every day they pay 100,000 naira. Average daily payment. That means they pay 100,000 every day to people who be say that they do job every day 100. So you try maybe join those 100 people who say they collect more. So let's just say okay, you get 2k or you get 5k from this 100,000. Now bad thing, no be bad thing. So register to this website and start making your own money. They said payment currency naira. You know, see, to get started on this website, all you have to do is to click on this get started button over here. And this form, and all you have to do is to fill this form carefully. So after you don't fill the form finish, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So this is your dashboard now when you sign up. So you can see they said important update, withdrawal process is back. Withdrawal are completed within 2 business days. That means now only 2 working days. We say if you apply for withdrawal, we say the money will just drop enter your account. Now I see my May balance 0, deposit balance. Maybe if I want become, maybe I want to give job. That is when you will deposit on this website. So this your total referral 0. This tax available now. Now where you go to do tax, which is the tax we say it is available on this website. So now what we have to do now, if maybe okay, but this video don't be too long like that. But okay, maybe we see how this tax be. This tax available 900 plus tax available. So you click on it. So when you click on it, they will direct you to another website called Time Wall. Over you can see they said welcome to Time Wall. Micro tax, clicks and surveys. Get started below. They said get started. There was a Facebook page, like and follow. They'll give you 60 points. This one that they pay with points, and the points, each 1,000 points is $1 in a local, as you go make foreign money where you do your country. You go make dollars in Nigeria. You go start to the end in dollars in Nigeria, so on and so forth. And what I want make una do most is this surveys, because survey you know they take time and you get plenty points. You can even earn up to 3,000 points in a day doing this survey. Each 1,000 points is $1. Just imagine say you get like 5,000 points. So how much you will get in a day? So close to 5,000 naira. So guys, this is the end of my video because I don't want this video to be longer than this. If you have any question, leave on the comment section below. Till we meet again. Until then, bye bye for now. Please subscribe and share this video to your loved ones and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.